everyone, I'm back with another amazing video. So I will be sharing 3 jobs over here. The first and second job is for the person who have an experience of 1 or more than 1 year. And the third job, which is from Microsoft, the person should have experience of 2 or more than 2 years. So let's move with the very first opportunity, which is posted by Swiggy, and it's a developer 1 engineers, and I will add a link of all of this job in the description so you can go and easily apply for it. So the experience level required is 1 to 3 years and location is Bangalore. So you can just go and overlook about the position overview and the key role you are going to do over there. It's basically end-to-end design architecture of the complex system and co-own the technology vision of a respective team and significantly contributing in overall success of team. And also the partner and product business team together with product feature and specialization translate them into high level and low level design, thereby facilitating a team in a design development of mission critical application. So basic qualifications required from your side is you should have an B.Tech or M.Tech degree in computer science or engineering, computer science and engineering, or equivalent from the reputable college with a minimum of 1 to 3 years of experience in product development company. Together with, you should have a strong technical amplitude and good knowledge of CS fundamental. Third one is sound knowledge and application of algorithm and data structure with space and complexities. Also, you should have a strong designing skills involving data modeling and low-level class design. Also, you should have a knowledge of object-oriented programming and design PA together with you should have a proficiency in programming languages like Java or Golang. And you should follow industry coding standard and responsibility for writing and maintainable, scalable and efficient code to solve business problem. Also, you have a hands-on experience in working with databases and Unix platform. Also, you should follow SDLC in agile environment and collaborate with multiple cross-function team to drive on me driver. So yeah, all of these are requirements. Go and hit the apply button, go for the opportunity. Now moving to the very next job, which is posted by Notion, and these are for the person who have more than 1 year of experience. It's going to be a full-time opportunity and hybrid on-site opportunity in Hyderabad, India. And yeah, you can just read about them and the role, like the async task running play critical role in ensuring millions of users to have fast, reliable, secure experience. Let's go for the what you will achieve. Yeah, so you will be contributing in the innovation and maintenance of the task runner to meet the need over 1,000 million global users and support rapid growth of the product and business. Also, with guidance from the senior team members, you will help and assure the system remain reliable and efficient and scalable. Also, you will empower an engineering team to build feature confidently while you grow your skills in the distributed system infrastructure. Also, you will develop the skill and the confidence to debug live production system with the minimal disruption while replacing the components of managing failovers. Also, you will get in practice of on-call rotation and responding to incidents to uphold the service reliable and quickly restore normal operations. Also, you will be partner with the product engineering and other infrastructure team to ensure the performance align with involving business need and product goals. And here are the key skills which are required from your side. So you have an at least 1 year of experience and ability to perform well in the fast-paced environment. Also, you should have an systems thinker, like to understand distributed system and design solution also, and consistent latency and scalability. Also, you should have programmatic problem solver, which prioritize the business impact, understanding balance between the craft speed and long-term maintainability. Also, you should have an ownership quality, fast-moving, unstructured environment, and comfortable taking in ownership and of ambiguous problem. Also, you excel in collaboration across the team and offering guidance and solution to unlock the engineering and support them in building reliable system. These are all the requirements. If you find all of this fit for you, then you can just move forward with the application process and go and apply for it. I will add the link in the description itself. Yeah, so let's move forward with the very third opportunity, which is posted by Microsoft, and it's really very amazing. So it's in software engineering role. This job is applicable for the person who has a minimum of 2 years of experience in the 2 years of experience or 2 or more years of experience. So job number is this mentioned over there, and yeah, it's going to be a software engineering full-time role, and the job location is Uttar Pradesh, Noida. If you find fit well for you, then go for it. And here all the responsibilities are mentioned, what you are going to do there, like designing, yeah, like designing and delivering feature end-to-end, including system architecture, code deployment, scale, performance, quality, and from the conception to delivery, design, develop large distributed software services and solution, develop best-in-class engineering of their service by ensuring that services and components are well defined and modularized and secure, reliable, and diagnosable, or active, monitored, and reusable. And testing and all of these things, troubleshooting, optimization, all of these roles are going to be yours. For more detail, just go through it once and add more keyword as you can add. And the qualification required from your side is going to be B.Tech or Master Degree in Computer Science Engineering or related field, and and has an experience of minimum 2 years, and ability to meet Microsoft customer and government security screening requirement are required for this role. Also, there are more requirements like familiar with SQL, no SQL, and understanding of object-oriented programming and common design, and understanding of Java, C++, and cloud deployment, Azure, AWS, Google Cloud, and also pub sub models and modern event processing, large scale microservices construction, good knowledge of secure coding practice and data structures, ability to maintain and build deployment pipeline for the productions, and REST API based services and CI/CD pipelines. All of these things are mentioned over there. You just go and hit on the apply button. It's a very good opportunity for you guys. And yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you so much.